Okay, campsites F and G are on opposite sides of a lake, and a survey crew made these measurements shown. They want to find the distance between the two campsites. So, first thing we need to do is we need to establish that we have similar triangles here. And because you can see that they've given us side here and angle here, and then side here, what we're looking to do, right? Well, we know that these angles, these vertical angles, the green ones, will be congruent. So we just got to check and see that the sides are proportional. So what we're looking at, if we look at these two sides, we've got, for the ones that I've already marked, 82 and 92. 82 is the shorter one, obviously. And so we want to match that with the shorter one on the other side. So we want to match that with 73.8 on the other one. So I'm going to mark that in that darker blue color. And I'm going to mark this one in the purple. And we're going to match up those sides. We're going to see if they are in a ratio. So I'm going to start with the small ones. 70, oops, in blue, 73.8 is to 82 as 82.8 is to 92. And we need to check these proportions and see if they're good. So I'm going to do the math over here off. Okay, so there's the setup, and then what we need to do is just verify that these numbers work out to be the same on both sides. So I'm going to check that math and get back to you.